My name's Jessica and I create comics, and I'm doing a little thing where I'm turning these guys, oh that's a good picture, all these fighters from Super Smash Bros. Into D&D characters. Oh shoot, I did not get the... There we go! If you guys have not seen the first one, my Dark Pit one, you should totally go watch it. It's really cool. I turned him into a bard of the College of Swords. Now we're gonna find another one to D&D eyes. And we're gonna click the button, the generate button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 47. So, Wii Fit Trainer. Oh, there's a male and a female. I'm just gonna do the female one. The last one was a dude. This one should be a girl. It makes sense to me. The Wii Fit Trainer's D&D class. So here are the classes. And now, let's randomize. 1, 2, 3. She is a druid. Huh. Okay. I'm gonna do something a little bit different than I did last time, and I'm actually gonna look over the class with you guys on D&D Beyond to kind of show my reasoning for maybe how these characters would fit into this class, and my idea for maybe what their stats would be, and also for what subclass they might be. So let's look over this together, shall we? Oh, if this does not scream Wii Fit Trainer, I don't know what does. Druid circles. There we go. Oh, they only have 2. Circle of Wildfire. Circle of Wildfire. Druids who are members of the Circle of Wildfire understand the necessity of destruction. Oh, let's go search Druid circles. Druid circles. I don't want to buy it. I already have the physical copy. Fine. I guess you'll just look at a picture of Wii Fit Trainer while I search through my books and try to find a good circle for her to join. Druids of the Circle of the Moon are fierce guardians of the wild. Changeable as the moon, a druid of this circle might prowl as a great cat one night, soar over the treetops as an eagle the next day, and crash through the undergrowth in a bear form to drive off a trespassing monster. The wild is in the druid's blood. Okay, that might be a cool one for her. It'd be more into changing into different shapes than getting into shapes, but I mean, I'll take what I can get at this point. Circle of the Shepherd. Druids of the Circle of the Shepherd commune with the spirits of nature. Well then, I guess we're going with the most overpowered circle there is, and that will be Circle of the Moon, because she likes to get into shape, and that is the only connection. Hey everyone! So, while I was drawing this, I came across a video of Mr. Beast, and he introduced me to Team Trees. He's created a team called Team Trees, and he's gonna plant 20 million trees around the globe by January 1st, 2020. And the whole deal is that $1 plants a tree. And this is really good for the environment. And I thought that this is a worthy cause, so I'll probably donate $5 for planting 5 trees. Because I am terribly, terribly poor. But I thought that I could make a video about it and just kind of spread awareness. Not that every other YouTuber hasn't already made a video about this, but I figured it went very well with like the Druidic thing that we're trying to turn Wii Fit Trainer into. So might as well advertise a good cause. You plant trees, you help the environment, and you take care of the earth. So yeah, if you have an extra $5 lying around, or if you only have $1, you can put that $1 in there, and that will be one more tree in the world, giving us oxygen and helping make the world a better place. Go Team Trees! Woo! Now back to the drawing.